Good morning, class 2. As I have already given some work of this chapter, that is chapter number 2. So today this video is related to the explanation of chapter number 2. So bring your book and open page number 19. Chapter number 2, Lost and Alone. The name of the chapter is Lost and Alone. Maya woke up early in the morning. She was so excited. Yippee! Today they were going to the fair. This is a story about a little girl whose name is Maya. She is Maya. And one morning, when she woke up early, then that day she was very excited. Excited means very happy, very delighted. Why she was excited? She was excited because they were going to the fair. What is fair? Fair is a place where we go for fun, for entertainment. And we say Mela in Hindi. We say fair as Mela in Hindi. We go in fair for fun, for entertainment. Okay. That's why she was very happy. Now come to the next page. At the fair, Maya enjoyed the rides. She loved the merry-go-round the most. This horse is fastest. Then, in the fair, Mara was enjoying her ride in merry-go-round. This is merry-go-round, and she was enjoying the ride merry-go-round. Maya wanted to buy some bangle. Look, bangles! Just then, she saw a balloon in the air. She ran to catch it, but it was going too fast. Then, when she was with her father, then she saw some bangles. Bangles means chudiya. It is an ornament which ladies wear in their hand. Okay, like this. This is bangle. Then Maya saw some bangles and she wanted to buy some bangles. When they were at the bangle shop, then Maya saw a balloon in the air. Okay, and she ran to catch it, but the balloon was going very fast. Then what happened? Come to the next page. Maya ran faster. She ran and ran. She jumped up and caught the balloon. Maya looked around. She had run far away from the bangle seller. She could not see her father. Oh no, I am lost. Then what happened? When Maya was running to catch the balloon, then she was running very fast. She jumped and she caught the balloon. Okay, but when Maya looked around, then she saw that she have came far away from the bangle seller because she was purchasing the bangle. But when she was going to catch the balloon and when she looked around, she saw that she ran far away from the bangle seller and she is not going to see her father. She could not see her father. Then she thought that, oh no, I am lost, मैं खो चुकी हूँ, because her father was not near her. She was alone there, and then she said that, oh no, I am lost. Maya decided to go to the main gate. She was about to reach the ticket counter. She heard a shout, Maya! She ran to her father and hugged him tight. Stop crying, Maya. I have found you now. When Maya was not getting her father, then she decided to go to the main gate. Okay. What is main gate? The gate from where we do the entrance. Then she decided to go to the main gate. When she was about to reach the ticket counter, then she heard a shout. She heard a loud voice. Someone said, Maya. When she turned around, then she saw that her father is calling her. Then she ran to her father and hugged very tight, and she was crying. Then Maya's father said, Maya, don't cry. I have found you now. So what does this story is about? This story is about a little girl, Maya. She went to the fair with her father. She was very excited. When she went to the fair, she took a ride on merry-go-round. After that, she wants to buy some bangles. When she was purchasing the bangles, then at the same time she saw a balloon in the air. She wanted to take that balloon. When she was running to catch the balloon, then she came far away from the bangle seller. And when she turned around, then she didn't find her father. When it means Maya is lost. Then she started crying. Then she decided to go to the main gate. When she was about to reach the main gate, there she saw her father. Then she stopped crying and hugged her father very tight. So children, mainly this chapter is about the strangers. Means when we found any strangers means anjan vyakti, anjan admi, then we don't have to talk to the strangers. Then we don't have to interact with the strangers. Okay, it means when Maya was not finding her father, then she was going to the ticket counter. Okay, but after that she saw her father. Like that, if sometimes some strangers want to talk to us. Okay, she wants to give something to us. They want to give something to us. We don't have to take anything from the strangers. Okay, strangers are the people whom we don't know. Now come to page number 28. We see people we do not know everywhere. People whom we do not know are called strangers. All strangers are not bad, but some may harm you. When you are alone, be extra careful around strangers. Like when you are going to a market, then it is not like that you know everyone. Some people we do not know, na? So the people whom we don't know are called strangers. It doesn't mean that all the strangers are bad, but some strangers may harm you. Okay, so we have to be extra careful around the strangers. Okay, don't take a candy or sweet or anything at all from a stranger. We don't have to take anything from the strangers. Okay, we have to be extra careful around the strangers. Don't go anywhere with a stranger. If you are going somewhere alone and someone asks, let's go with me, I will drop you home, don't go with that stranger. Okay, don't go anywhere with a stranger. Don't keep quiet. Shout loudly and tell people if you feel unsafe. If any stranger is disturbing you, you are not comfortable with that person, you don't have to be keep quiet. You have to shout loudly and tell people that you are unsafe. You will ask for help. You will shout loudly for help. So this story is about the strangers. What is strangers? Strangers are the people whom we do not know, and we have to be extra careful with the strangers. Okay children, so go through this video and try to understand the chapter. If you feel any type of problem, then please call me. I will make you understand. Thank you and have a nice day.